Public health is my passion and work is my passion. And once you are retired, you need to do something which doesn't disturb other but which contributes to the science. I am Dr. Vikas Desai. I am Technical Director of Urban Health and Climate Resilience Center. This is my activity since April 2013. But before that, I was Director of Health Services for Gujarat State for 5 years, and for 37 years before that, I was teaching public health in medical school. I am born and brought up in Surat city. I have experienced development, progress, health profile of the city since 1947. My experience at international to national and local level is that there is every city is different, every country faces different challenge, and all challenges and the facing the challenges approach depends on your preparedness. Now developed countries don't have to think much about public health aspect within climate change because their public health system is very strong, and that's why that is automatically taken care of. Country like India will have to think of public health when they are considering climate resilience because we are not still fully prepared, and that too urban health is still in making in this country. Surat has several climate related challenges. Surat is a coastal city and our analysis shows that the heat wave days are increasing in the city and all cause mortality is also increasing in the city. Monsoon pattern is changing in the city. Surat is the humid city with lot of conducive environment for vector breeding, and we have faced several vector-borne disease hives in this city, including filariasis, malaria, dengue and so on. And with all that, we are on seashore, so sea level rise, we are on river banks, so river floods. All these are challenges which city has to face, which will further be aggravated because of lot of industrialization and migration in this city. I was for long trying to work for an urban research center for Surat city, and I failed. I was working for Urban Research Center because I believed that Surat has lot to contribute to urban health experiences. Surat is almost like a university for urban health. And then came the opportunity of Urban Health and Climate Resilience Center. And my concern and my role through this small center to begin with is to do advocacy, to bring to people's notice that urban health need to be part of climate resilience, which also covered interesting component of how to bring in community and empower the community to contribute to public health and climate resilience. We have come out with several documents and research papers also during this course, and now we are ready with some training kits also which are related to public health and climate resilience. Recently, we are working on the assessment of vulnerability of the cities, and that is public health and climate vulnerability. It's again a process of learning by doing. We are trying to identify indicators, we are trying to build up a process and protocols of the study, and simultaneously doing the study in Surat city in depth as well as other municipal corporations of Gujarat and even small municipalities of South Gujarat, whereby we will provide a baseline information to Government of Gujarat and even to the larger world. So this will be a baseline information sharing as well as it will be the methodology sharing, because the urban vulnerability study is happening for the first time in India. Ultimately, the concerns about climate resilience is for what? Human survival, human comfort, human happiness, including economic progress and total development.